Greetings from Oxnö, beautiful natural rocky and cliffy beach in Haninge. On this wonderful 19th of July 2025, super sunny and hot Saturday, perfect to explore all out on the Baltic Sea. And as I thought, the main part of Oxnö Klippbad would have been super crowded on a day like this, and that was true. So that's why I walked 10 extra minutes to get here, but there are still also, even here, some people as well, because high summer season is here and everyone wants to enjoy the hot weather, including me. So currently it is around 25 degrees Celsius in the air, and in central Stockholm it's even warmer than that. And I'm gonna take temperature now of the Baltic Sea, but I need to find a better spot to measure the water, as here it is a bit slippery, if you know what I mean. So yeah, another day out on the sea, and here we are in Oxnö in the Golo Nature Reserve, and I have been behind that cliff over there a few weeks ago when I explored the secret beach where nobody was there, but I assume that people will be on this side actually, because this is the main beach part 10 minutes away from here. And we are dealing with 20 degrees Celsius in the water, in the sea, Baltic Sea, that is. Which means that we are ready to go in for a swim. And I have gotten myself a very nice place here just to hop on the Baltic Sea. Indeed. The water is a bit still, more still than usual, and let's then go in and enjoy a nice swim in the sea. All right, ready, set, and go! It seems a bit sketchy, the water here. I think it's because of the algae blooming, so it's maybe a good idea not to drink the water. So yeah, beautiful nature here in the Golo Nature Reserve. 20 degrees in the sea, perfect. So along this coast there is few even more remote places that I'm gonna head to later, and I'm basically enjoying here the full day. Actually now it is 11:20 and I'm gonna take the bus at 5, I think, back, as I will need to rest and for tomorrow as well. But the last bus I think is at 7. So yeah, to get here you need to take the commuter train from central Stockholm to Haninge, and from Haninge there is the bus 845 that goes only a few times per day to get here. And now I was supposed to go today to Muskö, but I was a bit late for that to catch that bus, but this is even better. So yeah, this is my first beach stop for today, and I think I'm gonna do one more beach vlog later today if I feel like it, or I'm just gonna chill and soak up the sun here in Oxnö. And I was coming here actually with my bike 3 years, 2 years in a row. But that bike is stolen now, so I would need to buy another racer bike if I want to come here, as it is mostly road. I wouldn't want to come here with a gravel. Indeed. Why is the water so still? It's, yeah. And also there is a military base here on this peninsula. It was a bit closer to the secret beach that I showed you 2 weeks ago, but it's not so far away even from this spot. Cool. So beach day number 64 from the sea in Oxnö in Haninge municipality, and it's time then to wrap up and enjoy the sunny day. Thank you so much for watching this episode with me, and see you soon again with another beach adventure on my channel, Beach Adventures with Kris.